If you want to use Grok inside X, formerly Twitter, on your PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to open Grok, where to find it, and how to start chatting with it right inside your X account. Grok is a built-in AI assistant that can help you browse the web, understand trending topics, and respond to prompts in real time. So if you've been wondering how to access it, this video will make it simple. Before we begin, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. It really helps support the channel and lets you see more step-by-step guides in the future. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to X, which is the platform formerly known as Twitter. Then log in using your account details. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up first using your email address, Google account, or Apple account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main X interface. Now look at the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. This is where X keeps its main features and shortcuts. Find the Grok tab or the Grok icon. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a dialog bubble-style icon in the left sidebar, or you may also see a Grok button in the lower right area of the screen. Click on it to open the feature. When you click the Grok icon, one of two things may happen. It may open a dedicated Grok panel beside your timeline, which is great because you can keep scrolling X while using the assistant at the same time. Or it may open the full Grok chat screen in a separate view. Either way, you're now inside the Grok interface. Next, go to the message box at the bottom of the Grok window. This is where you type your prompt or question. You can ask Grok things like summarize this topic, explain this news story, help me write a post, or analyze a trending conversation. The key is to be clear and specific so Grok can give you a better answer. After typing your prompt, click Send. Grok will process your request and respond with an answer right inside X. From there, you can continue the conversation, ask follow-up questions, or refine your prompt until you get the result you want. One of the best things about Grok is that it's built for speed and real-time context. That means it can be especially useful if you're trying to understand what's happening on X right now, follow breaking news, or get quick explanations without leaving the platform. If this tutorial is helping you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's the easiest way to stay updated with more helpful walkthroughs like this. And that's it. You now know how to use Grok inside X on your computer. Just log in, find the Grok tab, open the chat, type your prompt, and send it off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.